What's up, everyone? 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I bought this Voxel PLA HEPA filter. It comes with 2 fans and a filter and a carbon filter, and it fits on the bottom of the P1S and X1C. The only question I have is, this is the connector to the electricity, and it steps down 24 volts, but I don't want to touch 24 volts. So why wouldn't they provide a cover to avoid someone going like that and touching the electricity? I mean, 24 volts isn't, I guess, that big a deal. Maybe it is. I don't know. I've never touched 24 volts. I've put 9-volt batteries on my tongue.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But, yeah. Why wouldn't they cover that up? No clue. And it's going to sit out on my desk. So one day this is going to be turned on, fans running, and I'm going to move that and not realize that I'm touching it probably. I don't know. Maybe I'll throw some electrical tape over it. But still, you know, there should be a rubber sock on it. And I've used those connectors before, and they don't come with a sock. But I would think that Voxel PLA, for the $35 that you're spending on this 3D printed filter, that it would come with a sock to cover that up. So there's the filter in there. This is the carbon filter. And it, I guess, doesn't look like it's replaceable. So that's disposable, I guess. So for $34 or $35, that's, I guess, disposable. I'll have to look and see. This is the carbon, that's the HEPA filter. And then, like I showed you, that's the fans. So it pulls all of that through this to make it safer when you're printing, like ASA and ABS. I also have the Voxel PLA filter that has the carbon in there as well. So that's kind of like double duty to just clean the air better. You don't want to breathe that stuff in if you're printing ASA or ABS. Bambu is selling this for $35. Voxel PLA is selling this for $5.99. And you can hear the carbon in there. So I definitely recommend going that route just to clean your air. My printers are currently in my office, and I work here, you know, during the day for my day job, and I don't want to breathe that kind of stuff in. I'll probably throw one of the printers in the garage, probably this one, because it has the fan hookup. I'll probably throw this in the garage because I have an ASA contract coming up with someone where I'm going to be printing a ton of ASA stuff, and I don't want that in here, even though I have the filters and stuff. But yeah, I'll check that out and let you know if I can, like, notice a difference between the having that there and not having it. Like I said, that was $35. That was $5.99. Bambu is selling that HEPA filter, the carbon filter, for $35, which is crazy. Voxel PLA for both of them for the win. And we will see how things turn out. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe. And we will catch you on the next one.